First is to create a text and you can choose whatever color you want. Hindi naman siya importante kasi we can always change the color on the later part. And then let's place the image that will make the drip effect more realistic. I have included this image sa comment section, so please do check that out. We have to separate all these drip effects into their own separate layers. So ang gagawin natin guys is i-rasterize muna natin siya. Right click and rasterize this drip effect layer. Once it is rasterized, make a selection around each drip and then press Ctrl X and then Ctrl V to paste. Do the same thing to the rest of the drips. Just make sure that before you press the shortcut keys is nakaselect ka dun sa main drip layer. Move muna natin yung mga elements temporarily. Place each drips wherever you want the drip effects to show up. In my case, I will be putting them at the bottom ng mga letters. Once done, press and hold Ctrl and click on all the drip layers para ma-select natin sila. Make sure na naka-highlight sila ng gray para ma-select. And then press Ctrl G to group them into one folder. And you can name this folder however you want, guys. It's really up to you. Then select the text layer and the group that we have created kasi gagawa tayo ng panibagong group. Press Ctrl G and then rename the group however you want. This is going to be the main group or the mother group itself. Select the main group and let's add a layer style. It's going to be bevel and emboss. Now, you can always play around with the settings, especially sa sliders, but make sure that the style and the technique is inner bevel and naka-smooth. But again, sa sliders, you can play around with it kasi iba-iba tayo ng nakikita, iba-iba tayo ng perspective, iba-iba tayo ng taste. And then, i-check natin tong color overlay. This will serve as the final color of our effect. And also the text, right? So I chose there a darker brown. You can always go back to the bevel and emboss, guys, if you want to change something. And finally, click OK. And it's time to fix these imperfections. To fix the imperfection, guys, expand natin yung main folder. Hanapin natin yung unang folder na ginawa natin. Select natin siya. And then, add tayo ng layer mask. Once the layer mask is added, make sure that you select the thumbnail. Take your brush, make sure that the opacity and flow is set to 100% and paint with black on the imperfections. Then go back to the bevel and emboss by double-clicking on it to change furthermore sa mga settings. And there you go, guys. That's how you make this kind of dripping effect. See you guys sa next natin ng mga tutorials.